Hello everyone, in this video we are going to design IoT based security system by using microcontroller unit. Here is the PIR sensor, motion sensor, this is your MCU board, this is your alarm. Here click on MCU, there are options are available here. Go to programming mode, you write the program in JavaScript language. These are JavaScript languages. This is for set up the input pins, this is for creating loop to read the data, read the data from the microcontroller unit. This is the program, the microcontroller from setup input pins, and this is for creating the loops. This is for get the output from the microcontroller and analyze the data. Is there when I move the cursor to the motion detector sensor, it detects my microcontroller unit. It gives the command to turn on the alarm. Here now you can see the experiment. This is your motion detector sensor. This is your microcontroller unit. This is your alarm. The motion this is a microcontroller unit taken from here components. Here in this components there are, you click on boards. There are boards are available here. That's a MCU board. That is a microcontroller unit board. This SBC is single board computer, and then second one is a thing. And if you click actuators, you can get the alarm here. There are a lot of options are available here. If you click the sensor, there are a lot of sensors are available here. Here I taken from motion sensor here, this one. Also by using this IoT custom cable, you can connect motion sensor with MCU and alarm. Also by wireless connectivity, you can connect the wireless, construct the wireless network. Okay, if you click on MCU here in physical mode, this is a wired one. This is a wired this one. This PT IoT NM1 CE features a single Ethernet port. This first one is selected. And next configuration and programming. Here I already written here for by using JavaScript program. This is the program we have to type here. Type and run. Okay. Now I move the cursor with, previously the output is 0. I move the cursor with cursor over motion detector. The sensor is, the alarm is turned on. Now you see the output. That is output is called 1023. Then after some time the alarm turned off. Okay. Why is there zeros and 1023 means here when it is low, the state is 0. When it is high, the state is 1023. Nothing but is your I format 1. Here also attributes are there in alarm. In this way you can write the program through JavaScript or Python or Visual Object, that is a blockly command. Here you can choose here .js format means you can create JavaScript format. That's a .py means Python program. That .visual means you will create a Visual Objects program. In this manner you can construct the IoT based security system through wired one. This is a wired Ethernet cable. By using Ethernet cable you can construct the IoT based security system, smart security system. Next one, by using wireless, by using single board computer in place of microcontroller unit, we are using single board computer. Here this is a home gateway. These are smart lights. These are smart lights. Why it is called a smart light means here there are two sensors are available here. This is nothing but street light. Here M means there is a motion sensor and L is light sensor. It's a combination of two sensors is there. When movement is detected, the light sensor will turn on, the light will turn on. Okay, what's the concept is, when I move the car from car to first street light, motion detector sense. Here my previous one, if M means it is switch off. Here M means here green motion sensor is switched on. When I move to second street light, this motion sensor is turned off, so light is also turned off. Then similarly I move with the third one. The third street light will turn on, remaining first and second street light is turned off. So similarly for if I go to fourth street light, remaining three street lights will be turned off. In this manner we can lighting the system by using IoT. This is a program using Python language. Here also there are some options are available here for getting GPIO pins, for input pins, set the input pins and read the data and get the data from the single board computer. Okay, here you see when I move with the third street light, the other street lights are switched off. Here the third one is switched on. Now you will see the experiment. Here this is a single board computer taken from this board. It's a home gateway taken from this end devices, that is wireless devices. These are all smart street lights. This is a smart car, this one. You can also using the cable IoT custom cable via Ethernet cable. Here I am using this wireless connection, wireless construction. If you click on this sensor, you can see the IoT street lamp. The features of the street lamp is combination of this light and motion sensor. Here registration server compatible, also can be communicate with the remote server using UDP protocol. It's a light sensor. If it is 0 means light will be turned off. It shows the state by icon L with the green is on, red is off here for right sensor. For motion sensor, you see the icon, if green is on, red is off. There are some specifications are available here. Here go to physical. Here you see the option. This is a wireless option is there. You can also by connecting Ethernet cable. Here if you want to how you change this one means you go to advanced, go to IO configuration. Here you can choose this adapter. There are several adapters are there. The fourth one is a network adapter, wireless adapter. Here first one is your Ethernet adapter. If you see here, there is no connection between home gateway versus your first street light. By using this IoT custom cable, you can connect. Again, we have to connect with the wireless sensor. Wireless connection means now click on that. You select the wireless module, wireless adapter. Now we will get the connection with home gateway as your smart street light. Okay, now I check the circuit. Here is the programming. You see, when I move the car to first street light, here motion detector sensor light is turned on. Similarly, I move with the second street light. You see, the first street light is turned off, second street light is turned on. Similarly, for third street light is turned on, first and second street lights turned off. Then next one, the fourth street light. If I move this fourth street light, remaining first, second, third street lights turned off. In this manner, you can control the streets by using smart way, by this IoT based smart street light system, by using single board computer by the use of Python language. Now this third option, by using visual objects, that is Blockly objects. So what is meant by Blockly objects? Blockly is a visual programming editor which uses graphical blocks. It is used as a graphical boxes to represent the code concept like variables and logic expressions, loops and more. Here blocks has been integrated by Cisco Packet Tracer to use IoT program for network students not well aware of JavaScript or Python programming. Here it helps the students to better understanding and apply programming principle without having to worry about the specific syntax of specific programming language. Automatically the code can be expressed to popular programming language such as Python and JavaScript. Here this is the model that when you click on MCU board, go to programming menu. Here click on this new option. There are you select file name dot visual. Visual means you will get the window here by using by using program pin access, networking, and lot of options are available here. It is the pin access is taken from this one. First part is pin mode is taken from the pin access. Here this is the blinking automatic blinking LED using Blockly objectives. This is a smart LED. This one smart LED is a microcontroller board. There you see the pin mode is taken from pin access. The pin mode and print and taken from access. This were it is the loops repeat and loop taken from loops. Is also the analog write and delay unit you can get from this pin access. Now we will see the experiment. Here this is your smart LED. It is taken from this sensor MCU board. Here go to here I am using Ethernet cable. So you see the Ethernet cable is there. You go to programming. You select the new. You will select the file name dot visual. You will get the pin access here in this manner. If you click pin access, there are the options are available here: pin mode slot and digital read, digital write. The options are just you drag and drop it here. You can make the program. For example, here this is networking means you select the local IP and subnet mask TCP IP and program means this is your program final program and functions. You will loops you get the repeat and do loops by using these loops. If you click loop means you will get repeat and do options. You can type the times how many times it repeats the sequence. In this manner you can get these blocks. Here this is the program. Pin mode slot slot is 0, mode is output, and print blinking. This is you repeat the option, loop the option. If it is blink the LED is true means it will true. It's analog slot. Analog slot is there. You can see the LED features of LED. Here 1023. This is analog input pin. Analog input is if you give the I input means that is 1023 is coming here. So that you can if it is I means you set the value 1023. On delay you give the delay 1000 millisecond. Analog write is value 0 and afterwards you give the a delay 500 millisecond. Now go to microcontroller program, click run. What will happen? It is a blinking LED is blinking. If you give the in this manner you can program the microcontroller by using Blockly objectives. You see the output blinking LED. This one click stop means it will stop. Okay, this is a blinking LED using Blockly objectives using microcontroller board. The next one is webcam automation using motion detector sensor. Here how to automate a web camera using motion detector sensor. Here home gateway and the smartphone. Smartphone is the major devices. Home gateway is used to provide wireless connectivity and local logic for the webcam and motion detector. Smartphone is used to monitor and control the smart devices like webcam and motion detector, etc. Here webcam and how to get the automation using set condition method. Previous one by using Blockly objectives, Python and JavaScript. Here one more methods are there. That is using set condition method. You give the condition whenever the movement is detected by the motion detector, your webcam will turn on. Otherwise, webcam in off position. There is no movement detected. Webcam will be off position. What is the rule? What two rules we can create like a Blockly objectives? Here also some blocks are available here. Only you have to select motion detector is on when true. Then webcam is on is true. This is the second rule is when there is no detection. Motion detector means it is off. That is false. Webcam also false. In this manner we give the set condition method rule. Here this is a construction of webcam automation using motion detector. This is your motion detector. This is your webcam. This was a smartphone used to control and monitor the two devices, webcam and motion detector. Here, home gateway is used to connect between smartphone, webcam, and motion detector. If you send the information from the send the control information to the webcam and motion detector, and receive the information from both webcam and motion detector to smartphone. This is a function of home gateway here. Here, if you click on smartphone, these are all the tabs available here. If you go to desktop tab, there is some options are available here. In this particular, in this different options, you select IoT monitor. You can click condition here. Here you have to set the rules. When motion detector is turn on, webcam is turn on, motion detector is turn off, webcam is turn off. In this manner, you set the rule. Okay, after you set the rule, if you motion if I move the mouse over the motion detector, motion is detected, webcam is turned on, otherwise webcam is turned off. Is now you see the experiment. Now by using wireless connectivity, I am connecting the construct the webcam automation through wireless. You see the webcam, go to physical. Here wireless modules are available here. Wireless model. If you want to connect with the Ethernet cable, you change the device with the first one, Ethernet cable model. Here there is no now there is no connection. When I want to connect my IoT custom cable, just you connect with this port. In this manner you can connect now, because these are two configurations are available, so that you can't able to connect with webcam. Now again I change the adapter. Now you see the adapter, Ethernet adapter is there. Now I change with wireless adapter. Now you will get the connection. Now you see there is a wireless adapter available here. So here you have to give the some authentication here. Home gateway. Now I move the cursor over here. Smartphone, click on smartphone, go to programming mode and desktop mode. Here there are a lot of options are available here. You select this IoT monitor. Here there are options are available here. Here you have to give the condition. If you have add the rule already, I add two rules. If you want to add the rules means you give the name. This is the name, you give the another device, that is webcam motion detector. You give the another device, IoT devices means you click, you give the name and enable match all, match any. You can select the motion webcam. If you add one more devices means it shows one more IoT device. So you can set the rule. Now Now you see the what are the devices are available to monitor and control through smartphone. What is a webcam and a detector. Now I will move the mouse over motion detector. What will happen? Webcam is turned on. Okay, now there is no movement detected by motion sensor. Here there is a motion sensor and webcam is turned off. Now you see if movement is detected, you see the sensor also switched on. Now see it takes some time. Now motion, there is no movement. Here motion detector sensing no motion, so webcam is on. When the motion is detected, webcam is turned on. See the webcam IoT monitor. We can see the condition of motion detector and webcam. In this manner we can check. Next one, simulation of IoT based smart home network. This is a smart home network is IoT implementation of things. There are smart sensors are there, central control hardware, data cloud and user interface, network interconnection, system security also there. Here a smart home is a residence that uses the internet connected devices to enable the remote monitoring and the management of appliances and systems such as lighting control, smart home appliances and improved home safety and security. Here there are major IoT components are IoT sensors, IoT gateways and IoT protocols are there, IoT cloud and database. Here there are wired connection, wired application also there. Here wireless IoT wireless application also there. There is two workspaces are there. In logical workspace you can build the smart home network that consists of wired devices and wireless devices. With if it is wired devices means it connected with some registration server. If it is wireless devices means it connected with home gateway. When you place on the cursor over the device such as smartphone, informational window opens containing the basic network information. What are the devices are connected here? Yeah, all the connected devices can control your home gate and monitor the devices by using smartphone. This is an example of smart home, IoT based smart home. Here these are all the data, all the devices are while IoT devices are connected with home gateway to get the solar panel are connected here. By using solar panel your energy is saved in smart battery. Here by using smart battery, automatic smart lamp with day and light conditions. If it is day condition means light will turn off. If it is night time means light will turn on. Is a garage door. If it is movement is detected, garage door will turn on, open. It's a smart door also there. If it is MCU board, you can using microcontroller unit, you can program and control all the devices by using tablet. In place of smartphone, you can using tablet. You can view the connected IoT devices and monitor and control the devices remotely. Here smart fan. If it is man movement is there, smartphone automatically turn on. All the data are stored in this cluster form. Okay, this is a simulation of artificial intelligence enabled IoT based smart home network. Here artificial, why are calling artificial, question will raise. Does IoT use AI? That is artificial intelligence. The role of artificial intelligence in IoT. Generally artificial intelligence deals with the creation of systems that can learn to emulate a human task using their prior experience and without any manual intervention. In Internet of Things, on the other hand, is a network of various devices that are connected over the internet, and they can collect and exchange data with each other. Now, another question: why is AI required for IoT? According to Business Insights, there will be more than 64 billion IoT devices by 2025. All these IoT devices generate a lot of data that needs to be collected and mined for actionable results. This is where artificial intelligence come into the picture. IoT is used to collect and handle the huge amount of data that is required by the AI algorithms. In turn, these algorithms convert the data into useful, actionable results that can be implemented by the IoT devices. Then some applications of artificial intelligence in IoT, collaborative robots and drones, smart cities, construction of smart retailing. Then some of the examples also there. the real world example, that is a Tesla Motors using self-driving cars and wild track, that is a endangered species preservation. There are a lot of AI based IoT applications are there. Here the home network is connected with this ISP net internet. Here the simulation of smart home network is connected with several applications. If it is is a fire element, if it is fire is detector, fire alarm is turned on. It's a microcontroller unit in this one. RFID tag and RFID card is there. Smart home network constructing this automatic when it is when it is at the fire time automatically the water sprinkler will turn on. Water is spray through the fire area. Automatically this is done. Also these are globally you can connect get the data from get the data and analyze the data remotely by using smartphone or tablet. Here these are the server, cloud based server. Also one of the technologies, promising technologies nowadays we are going with artificial intelligence, machine learning along with blockchain technology. In simple words, blockchain is a public ledger accessible by everyone in the networks. By using this blockchain technology, you can blockchain technology and machine learning and AI based IoT based smart home network is more interesting to construct and get the data and analyze data remotely. Nowadays this machine learning and artificial intelligence and as blockchain technology also used with healthcare also. Here now you see the smart home network. Here this is a smart home network diagram. Here home gateway and cable modem all are connected with cable. This one solar panel connected with this cable. Here a temperature meter. Here MCU programming is there. Here main this Java by using JavaScript program. You can construct the smart network by this one. Here even a movement is there, light is turn off. This is turn off condition. When I movement is detected, light is turn off. Here when movement is detected, automatically fan is switch on. You can connect that by using tablet. You can monitor the devices, what are the devices are connected here. Here you have to give the IoT server address. Here what are the devices are present here: smoke detector, garage door, temperature monitors and appliances, ceiling fan, etc. All the devices are you can monitor and control with this. Smoke detector is turned off. Yes, if smoke is detected, the smoke detector is turned on. In this manner we can construct smart home network. The next one, the simulation of artificial intelligence enabled IoT based healthcare monitoring. Here nowadays we are using machine learning and AI enabled IoT. Healthcare monitoring is available here. Benefits of AI enabled IoT are the following: medical staff, patients and inventory tracking and chronic disease management and drug management, emergency room waiting reduction, remote health control is also there. Here this is a construction of healthcare monitoring. This is where, for example, this is a patient home. This is a MPTC, nothing but a mobile patient treatment center. This is a cloud data storage devices and health monitoring devices. These all are connected with secured internet connection. That is our secured cloud platform. And the next one, if you click on this patient home, there are by using home gateway, there are some devices, wireless devices, IoT devices are available here. Through Karthik laptop and smart TV, you can watch the data of For example, wearing smartwatch. Also the smartwatch shows the blood pressure level and also temperature level, and these are the levels we can check. Then same thing, in implanted glucose meter also there. Yeah, you can monitor the glucose level and all things. Also this is the mobile patient treatment center. That is a MPTC. Is a nothing but the mobile patient treatment center control system. Here one doctor is available. Here is a mobile team. Is a health monitoring center. Is nothing but is hospital. All the data are collected by the IoT devices. The data are stored in a cloud data storage is a platform. The doctor itself monitor the patient condition remotely by using this health monitoring center. Here health monitor mobile patient treatment center having the tablet to view the patient conditions. Here this health monitoring company having the what is a monitoring station there. He can in hospital itself, yeah, they can view the patient data and analyze here using security platforms. Now you see the health condition. Here the packet tracer activity file is a program for diabetic patient healthcare IoT solutions are there. Here also one environmental windows also it will come. For example, is a patient home. Here by using patient home, all the devices are connected with the home gateway. In smart TV, they can choose the they can view the patient data remotely. And similarly, this is a cloud-based platforms, and this is a mobile and the health monitoring company. In this manner, we can construct healthcare system using this artificial intelligence technology. Similarly, environmental simulation of artificial intelligence based IoT based environmental monitoring and control. You can see the environmental conditions. You can see the what are the gases present in the environment, what are the temperature, ambient temperature and atmospheric pressure and water, all the things. You can wind speed also you can find and monitor. Here also you view the keyframe value and transference value and things rate and current, and also you can get the keyframe graph for all the things. For example, CO, composition of hardness and ambient temperature. You can get the chart way. Also ambient temperature chart, when temperature increases or decreases real time you can monitor the values. Now you see the environmental packet tracer file. For environmental packages, you go to this window. Here you can choose the edit option. Here temperature. If you want to see the temperature, ambient temperature means you say it is the temperature. Here you will get the data. There is a real-time data. If you want to edit the data means you can get the graph like this: ambient temperature, what is the cloud values, what is the composition of CO value and gravity, humidity, all the values in the form. For example, fire is available here means fire, there is no fire, so 0 it will source zeros. What is the methane concentration? Here there is no methane concentration. Based on that, neutron, there is no neutron here. Based on that real time data, your real time environmental condition. You can monitor through these IoT devices. Okay, thank you.